Hello friends, in this lesson, name of the lesson is S shape and L shape. Sorry, name of the lesson is S shape and L shape. In this lesson, we are going to revise first factorization, second finding S shape, third finding LCM, and fourth word problems based on it. So the basic skill in solving this lesson is factorization. For factorization we need test of divisibilities, majorly test of divisibility of 2, 5 and 3. Divisibility of 2 is number ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, and divisibility of 5 is number ending with 5, and divisibility of 3 is sum of digits. If sum of digits is divisible by 3, then that number is divisible by 3. So let us see how to factorize a number. Suppose a number is 288. We just have to go through a number and see whether is it divisible by these numbers or not. So is it divisible by 2? Yes, it is ending with 2. So we can divide it by 2. If we divide it by 2, our answer will be 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. Now once again 144. Is it divisible by 2? The answer is yes, because it is ending with 4. So let's divide it by 2 and the answer will be 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Once again 72 is divisible by 2 as it is ending with 2. Let's divide it by 2. If we divide it by 2, our answer will be 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6, 1 and 2 on it. So the number formed will be 12. 12 divided by 2, answer is 6. So 36. Is it divisible by 2? Yes, because ending with 6. And divided by 2, answer is 18 2s are 36. 18 once again divisible by 2, answer is 9 2s are 18. 9 is divisible by 3, 3 3s are 9. 3 is divisible by 3, answer is 3 1s are 3. So we have to factorize it unless and until the final answer is not 1. Now 288 can be written as 2 multiplied by 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 3 multiplied by 3. Okay, this is the way how to factorize a number. But what if the number is not divisible by 2, 5 or 3? The simplest thing is, in this case we just have to try other prime numbers, because there is not any other test of divisibility available excluding 11. Okay, 11's divisibility we will learn afterward. But if the number is not divisible by 2, 5 and 3, we just have to divide it by other prime numbers like 7, 11. This divisibility we will learn afterward. 13, 17, 19, etc. Okay, for example, the number is 130. Is it divisible by 2? The answer is yes. If we divide it by 2, the answer will be 2 6 are 12, 1 is the remainder, 0 on it, 2 5s are 10, 65. Is it divisible by 2? The answer is no. Is it divisible by 3? 6 plus 5, 11. 11 is not in the table of 3, so it's not divisible by 3. Is it divisible by 5? The answer is yes. If we divide it by 5, answer will be 5 1s are 5, 6 minus 5, 1, 5 on it, 15, 5 3s are 15. Now 13. 13 is not divisible by 2, 5 and 3. So it is divisible by prime number. We have to check. Is it divisible by 7? No. 11? No. 13? Yes. 13 is divisible by 13 itself. So answer will be 13 1s are 13, and that will be our final answer. So 130 can be written as 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 30. Okay students, once we achieve this basic skill of factorization, same thing we can use in finding HCF and LCM. The only difference is, in factorization we have to factorize only one number, and in HCF and LCM we have to factorize two numbers at a time. Let us see how. For example, the question is find HCF and LCM of 90 and 108. So let us try to factorize it all together. Write two numbers together, 90 and 108. In this case we just have to factorize both of the numbers together, right? Means 90, is it divisible by 2? Yes. 108. Is it divisible by 2? Yes. So let us divide both of the number by 2. If we divide both of the number by 2, 90 divided by 2, answer is 45. 108 divided by 2, answer is 54. Now 45, is it divisible by 2? No. 54, is it divisible by 2? Yes. One number is divisible, one is not divisible. So we cannot divide it further. Then we have to move towards next number. Next number is 3. 45, is it divisible by 3? The answer is yes, because 4 plus 5 is 9. 54, 5 plus 4 9. Both of the numbers are divisible by 3. So let us divide them by 3. 15 divided by 3, answer is 45 divided by 3, answer is 15. 54 divided by 3, answer is 27. Now once again, none of the number is divisible by 2. So let's check, are they divisible by 3? The answer is 5 plus 1 6. Yes. 7 plus 2 9. Yes. Both of the numbers are divisible by 3. So let's divide them by 3. Answer is 3 5 is 15. 3 9 is 27. Now students, 5 and 9. Are they divisible by 2? Both of the numbers are not divisible by 2. Are they divisible by 3? One is divisible by 3, one is not. So we cannot apply 3's divisibility test also. Are they divisible by 5? Yes, one number is divisible but one is not. So we cannot apply divisibility of 2, 5, 3. Then 7. By 7, 5 is less than 7. So applying divisibility of this prime number is useless. Means these two numbers are not divisible by any other number. They are co-prime numbers. They are only divisible by 1. If we divide them by 1, answer will be 1 5 is 5 and 1 9 is 9. Whenever such situation occurs, we have to stop here. Now we can use this factorization to find HCF. To find the HCF, we just have to multiply these numbers in the first column. So multiplication will be 2 into 3 into 3. Answer is 2 3 is 6. 6 3 is 18. Means HCF of these two numbers is 18. HCF of 90 and 108 is 18. And to find out LCM, we just have to multiply numbers in first column by last row. This L, we just have to focus towards this L. So multiplication is 2 into 2 into 3 multiplied by 1 is not useful, because any number multiplied by 1, answer is the same number. Then multiplied by 5 multiplied by 9. See students, this multiplication we already have done it here. So that is equals to 18 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 9. So which is equals to 18 5 is 90 into 9. 0 will be as it is, 9 9 is 81. So LCM of these two number is 810. So this board is enough to revise all the lesson of HCF and LCM. The only scenario in this case also, if both of the numbers are not divisible by 2, 5 and 3, then we have to try prime numbers. For example, suppose we have to find out the HCF and LCM of 121 and 132. Then one number is divisible by 2, one is not. This number is not divisible by 3, because 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. So we cannot apply divisibility of 3. They are not divisible by 5. So we just have to check randomly, are they divisible by 7, 11, 13, 17, 9. 17, 7 on the 7, 12 minus 7, 5, 1 on it, 51. So this number is not divisible by 7. 11, 11 on the 11, 1 will be remainder, 11 will be formed. This number is divisible by 11. Is this number divisible by 11? 11 on the 11, 2 will be remainder. So both of the numbers are divisible by 11. If we divide this number by 11, answer will be 11. Yes. And here answer will be 22. Now both of the numbers are divisible by 11. Here will be 1, here will be 2. Right? 11 on the 11, 11 to the 22. Now to find out HCF, HCF is equal to multiplication of this column.
22
12. Sorry. 12. So this 11 and 12 are co-prime number. HCF is equals to 11 multiplied by 1. HCF is equals to 11, and LCM is equals to multiplication of first row and second column, which is equals to 11 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 12, which is equals to 11 11 are 121 multiplied by 12, which is equals to 12 1 are 12, 1 is the carry, 12 2 are 24 plus 1 25, 12 1 are 12 plus 2 14. So LCM is equals to 1452. So in this whole board is enough to revise the one lesson. As this lesson is about quick revision, this whole board is enough to revise one lesson. To revise the SCF and LCM, we have to, the basic skills required is factorization of two numbers together, and multiplication of first row to find out HCF, and multiplication of first column and last row to find out LCM. If numbers are not divisible by these numbers, we have to go for prime numbers. That's it. Thank you.